Hey there guys, hope you're all staying at home and staying safe. So today we're going to be reviewing Satya IAS Academy, and for doing so we're going to be visiting blog.our education website, and that is because blog.our education is a very trusted website. They give honest and unbiased reviews about any IAS coaching center across India. Not only that, they give consolidated reviews from Facebook, Google, Justdial and Sulekha, so that you don't have to go visit all of these websites. You can just visit blog.our education. They do a lot of research and then give their rating. So this Satya IAS Academy is located in Chennai. It's about 11 years. So blog.our education is about 11 years old. So let us see the rating that our education has given Satya IAS Academy. So as you can see here, Satya IAS Academy is ranked among the 10 top coaching centers in Chennai. So on this page you can find the reviews about Satya IAS Academy. Both the good and bad reviews will be listed on this page. So according to the reviews, the batch size of this academy is great, and the motivation and devotion of all the working staff is appreciated. Students have also stated that the study materials that they provide you with are very helpful, and the environment at this academy is overall very pleasant and stimulates you to work harder. So according to a student, they felt that this was a really good academy, one of the best academies in Chennai, and especially it has been reviewed as great by students who wanted to study in small study circles. So this academy was founded by Mr. R. Satya, who is an intellectual, a guide and a well-wisher to all UPSC aspirants. He is very highly educated and has been a UPSC aspirant as well. Then his qualifications are what help him teach and guide students, and they teach and guide you they prepare you for all the 3 levels of the exam, your prelims, your mains, as well as the interview. And very few coaching centers have a very good interview training. Like for example, in the last video I have reviewed an academy that has mock interview sessions. So definitely research very well before you're joining an academy, because you need to have that right amount of confidence. You need to attend interviews. Also, like other things like current affairs, essay writing skills, they're all very important that the coaching center should inculcate in you all. So students have given this academy an overall rating of 9 out of 10. The batch strength has been given a rating of 8 out of 10. So as you can see over here, you can see the rating that is given on different parameters, like their faculty has been given a really high rating. However, the past year results are good but not the best. The mock test series has also been given a very high rating. So these are the contact details of Satya IAS Academy. This is their address. They are located in Arumbakam in Chennai. This is their contact number, and they have a rating of 4 out of 5 stars. This is their email ID and their website. So the fee structure, basically Satya IAS Academy is very affordable with their fee structure. Not a lot of institutes have a price as low as this for the amenities that they offer. So the fee structure over here is 74,000 rupees for 11 months, and you have to pay extra for optional subjects like geography. You have to pay 14,000 extra for optional subjects, which are also 11 months long. And some of the benefits of joining this academy are that they have very good faculty, the environment is healthy and competitive, they have very good infrastructure, and their study material is really good. They provide you with all the study material you need. Then they have good mock test series, solutions of previous year papers. Everything will be done in this academy. Then answer writing skills, like I told you, writing skills are also very important. You need to develop your writing skills, so they focus on that as well. Then they also give you free online tests. So I hope this was helpful to y'all, and if it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share this video with all of your friends who are also IAS aspirants. Thank you so much for watching.